Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be harvesting some dragon fruits from the garden. I have a couple of varieties that I'm going to be harvesting. But before I go any further, do me a huge favor. Please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Even the bell notification so you can know every time a video drops. I'll wait a minute so that you guys can go ahead and get that out the way. All right, now that that's out the way, the first dragon fruit that I'm going to harvest is the dark star. So this is one of the smaller dark stars. All right, next we have X, which is right here. Next, we have this Halley's Comet. Halley's Comet. Next, we have Bruni. Have this hidden fruit back here that I need to harvest. All right, so I'm gonna harvest that fruit. All right, that's the fruit that was all the way in the back. I believe that this is a Connie Meyer. All right, guys, and last we have this beautiful fruit right here. And this is a no ID, so you guys will know what I know. You guys will know the inside of this as I learn the inside of this. So this is a no ID. That I got from my friend Mario. Beautiful fruit. All right, guys, that concludes the harvest of the dragon fruits. You saw the different varieties. You saw the vines and how I harvested. If you enjoyed the content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like and bell notification so you can know every time I drop a video. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. But before I go, I have 2 bonus items. My first harvest of the pomegranate and also this baby watermelon. bonus footage, guys. So I'm gonna cut these open and see what they look like. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace, have a blessed week.